to today's ObejorDev tutorial class. Alright, today I'm going to be taking us on how to set up a Stocksavi dashboard. Okay, after you have successfully subscribed. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let us go into the class. But don't forget to always like, share and drop a comment in case you have any questions that you want to ask. All right, so let's quickly go into a Chrome browser. Okay, so always type www.obejordev.com. That's the website. Alright, so here all you just need to do is to, if you've already subscribed, just come to login here. Okay, and you enter your email address, okay, and you enter your password and you click on login. Okay, that is if you're already subscribed to the platform. Alright, so here we are just going to use a default account. Okay, so let's just come here and we're going to use a default account. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let me just copy this so that we can use a default account for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, let me just wipe this off. Okay, so here is our dashboard. So if you log in, it will bring you to this section. You can see you have your dashboard. So this is how your dashboard is going to look. So for you to change your default settings, because you need to, as you can see up here, it's showing the business name, which is New Rock. Okay, so your inventory is showing the business name, which is New Rock here. This is just a a demo account, so it is showing New Rock as a business name for the inventory. All right, software. So for you to be able to change this, you have to change your default settings. So you come to your default settings down here below. Come below here. So you can see it says default settings. So you click on it. So in here you change your details. All right. So you can change the name that you want to use. You can use your personal name, you can use your business name, you can use whichever name that you want to use here. All right, so it says company name. I'll just use L Divine. Okay, L Divine. Then you can put any email address that you want to use. So I can use, so let me just use this for the purpose of this lecture. Then phone numbers, you can impute any phone number that you want to impute here. Alternative phone number. Then websites, you can impute your website, your company website here. Then you choose the currency, and we have rupees, we have yen, we have euro. So since your business is in Nigeria, you can just choose Naira. If your business is abroad, whichever country, you can choose the currency that is attached to that country. Then you choose your default customer. Right, so you can just put work in there. So then your location, where you are located, wherever your business is located, Nigeria, the state that is located in Lagos, the city, Ikeja, whichever city your business is located in, then the postal code, then the address, the business address, you can just put it in here. All right, so your branding, you can put your closing time of your business, you can put it here, choose it and put it here. Then developed by, you can leave this here like this. Then you can just choose any picture from or any logo that you have designed, all right, for your business. Okay, you can just choose anything that you want to be there to serve as a logo for your business. All right, impute it there and you click on save. Okay, so by the time you save it, say your name, the business name has changed here to the business name that I imputed, which is L Divine. That's because I have changed the settings. I've changed the details on the default settings. Okay, and as you can see, the logo has now changed to the logo that I imputed here, which is my business logo. Okay, so that is how to change your dashboard settings. All right, so in our next class we'll be looking at how to go through the interface of our website and to check what we have on the interface of the dashboard. Okay, so don't forget to always click on the subscription button and also click on the notification bell so that in any of our latest videos you'll be the first to be notified. All right, see you in our next tutorial. Thank you.